Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 BMW X7. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tears of the car to the best of our knowledge. First of all, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, I see a small little chip here. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Everything here looks fine. Let's move on to the driver's fender wheel. This fender is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Front and back door look perfect here. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on either door. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks perfect. The quarter panel has no dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's have a look at the back of the car. The trunk and back bumper are spotless. Everything here is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything over here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents on the quarter panel, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door on this side look excellent. I'm not seeing anything wrong. No door dings, no scratches. Now the last fender and wheel looks perfect. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Let's take a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Everything here looks perfect as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. There's no scratches, nothing worn out. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel buttons look perfect, and the leather and stitching around the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.